In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Cloudflare SSL. Whether you're a website owner aiming to enhance your site's security or simply someone exploring ways to encrypt your web traffic, enabling SSL through Cloudflare is a straightforward yet impactful step. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, ensures that the data transferred between your website and its visitors stays private and secure, which is critical in today's digital landscape. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set this up in a clear and simple way, so let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Cloudflare Dashboard. Head over to the Cloudflare website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll see your account's main dashboard, which contains the list of all the domains you've added to your account. This is where you'll manage your website settings, including SSL. Next, locate the domain you want to secure with SSL. If you have multiple domains connected to your Cloudflare account, take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct one. Click on the domain name, and you'll be directed to its individual settings page. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the domain settings page, look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From this menu, navigate to the section labeled SSL TLS. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the SSL TLS settings for your chosen domain. This is where you'll configure the SSL mode that's best suited for your setup. Now, let's review the available SSL modes that Cloudflare provides. You'll see three main options here: full, strict, full, and flexible. Each of these modes serves a different purpose, so it's important to choose the one that matches your origin server's configuration. The first and most secure option is full strict. You should select this mode if your origin server has a valid and up-to-date SSL certificate. This provides maximum security by ensuring that the connection is encrypted both between Cloudflare and your visitors, as well as between Cloudflare and your origin server. If you already have a trusted SSL certificate installed on your server, full strict is the way to go. If your server only has a self-signed or expired SSL certificate, but you still want encryption, the full mode is your next best option. This mode encrypts the traffic between Cloudflare and your visitors, as well as between Cloudflare and your origin server, but it doesn't perform the same rigorous validation checks as full strict. It's a compromise between security and flexibility. Finally, there's the flexible option. This mode is designed for scenarios where your origin server cannot support HTTPS traffic at all. It encrypts the connection between Cloudflare and your visitors, but the traffic between Cloudflare and your origin server remains unencrypted. While this isn't ideal from a security standpoint, it's a temporary solution if HTTPS isn't currently supported on your server. Once you've determined the appropriate SSL mode for your setup, go ahead and select it. After making your choice, make sure to save your changes. Cloudflare will automatically begin applying the changes to your site's traffic. The final step is to test your website. Open your browser and visit your site to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check that the padlock icon appears in the address bar, indicating that the connection is secure. Additionally, take a moment to navigate through the different pages on your site to confirm that there are no mixed content errors or other issues. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled SSL on your website using Cloudflare. By doing this, you've taken an essential step in protecting your site's data and providing a secure browsing experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.